DIYers, happy holidays! Today on Make Your Mark, we are making cardboard Christmas trees, and we're putting them all together with my Sure Bonder glue gun, and then we are decorating them with John Bead's acrylic and resin stones. These sparkly stones are fantastic, and they are gonna look great on all of your Christmas projects. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say happy holidays. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some cardboard Christmas trees. Cardboard boxes were first produced commercially in 1817 in England, and corrugated paper was patented in England in 1856. It was first used as a liner for tall hats. The first decorated indoor tree was recorded in 1605 in Strasbourg and was decorated with roses, apples, wafers, and other sweets. I would love it if you could take a second to thumbs up this video and leave me a comment. Even if it's just to say hello and happy holidays, you know how much I love hearing from you. John Bead is my favorite bead company. They have everything you need to make amazing jewelry, and every time I look on their site, I find super special components that you can't find anywhere else, like these beautiful acrylic gems that we're using today. I'm gonna leave a link to John Bead, Decor, Sure Bonder, and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you next week. Bye.